What is going on, YouTube? Thrift School over here. Look at that. I got like half dark, half light. What's going on? Super sunny, shining right at me. But we are out front of the Dollar General, and you guys are gonna see some retail arbitrage. Bringing the camera in there, gonna film around. Never done it here, but people have wanted to see it, so we're gonna give it a shot. I don't know if I'll find anything. I'm gonna scan as much as I can, show you guys as much as I can. Hopefully we walk away with a few good things. All right, so I'm not really sure what I'm looking for in here, but we're just gonna pretty much see whatever we can find and scan as much as we can. Really don't know what I'm looking for, but seeing if we can find some clearance stickers somewhere, if they do that here. I have no idea. It is pretty big in here. Here we go. These are normally $4. I want $3.95, so you save 5 cents, but I'm gonna scan it and just see what they go for on Amazon. I'm using the Amazon Seller app, which is free. Anybody can use it. Just download it right from the App Store. Let's try to rescan that. It's having a hard time picking it up for some reason. Oh, there we go. No, it didn't. Okay, we're gonna give that one more shot. There we go. We have a better angle on it now. Huh. Very weird. Let's try scanning a different package. Not scanning. I'm gonna type in the barcode and see if that helps. I notice a lot of different Legos here, but there's no prices on anything here. I found a Halo Mega Bloks after fees is going for $13, so I'm gonna see how much they charge for this up front before I ask about all of these items. Some of them after fees you're looking at about 10 bucks, like this Lego DC Superheroes, and there's a Lego City right here. There's a whole bunch of different ones way back in there. So I'm gonna see how much they charge for this real quick before we continue on. Also, that laundry detergent stuff wasn't worth anything, guys. So we're still looking. Food section now, because it seems like toys and stuff like that just isn't worth it. Now, I believe Dollar Generals are all over the country, so the odds of finding stuff in here are very slim, but it's still possible. I'm betting money on it. It's still possible. So what I'm gonna do is just scan as much of this as I can. I'm gonna scan some Reese's up, scan some coconut oil. Now, I think this Clover Valley brand is their own brand because I see it all over the place. So I'll probably avoid that, but if I find anything, I'm gonna pop back on the camera and you guys will see what I see. A lot of stuff to scan here though. Now, I definitely found something right here, this Valentina hot sauce. It's $1. Here it is, pretty good rank. Selling for $8.65, you'd make $1.87 a piece. Now it's glass, so you'd have to be very careful with it. You'd probably have to bubble wrap it or something, but you could grab all of these, but you gotta take into account shipping and bubble wrap. Now with FBA, shipping would be very cheap on this, so you'd probably make over $1 per piece, so you double your money. Not really what I'm looking for, but still, spend $1, you'd probably make about $1.50. So what we're looking at, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 16, $17, I'd say, just about in there, profit. So there is money to be made right there, but we're gonna keep looking because I think that there are better options in this store, hopefully. Now I'm noticing a lot of this food is gonna be restricted, guys, but this is a great one. A 3-pack of the Manwich Bold sauce is going for $19.97 with no FBA offers. Pretty decent rank, great reviews. That would be awesome. I mean, you'd make a lot of money. They're only $1 each, so you end up making a lot. But we sadly cannot get that. We're gonna keep looking though. I'm sure I'll find something else here, guys. I know I will. There's bugles for $1. Maybe, I don't know. Here's another thing you're gonna wanna check. Look at the net weight on there, 4 ounces. I've been noticing on a lot of these listings on Amazon, 5.25. So even though it looks like there's good profit in it, you can't buy it. You gotta make sure that the package amounts are correct. Here we go, Sour Patch Kids, $1, freeze. Right there, great rank. You'd make $1.50 with hardly any work right there. That's 3, 6, 9. That's about 12 bucks in profit right there on the shelf. I'm sure there's a lot more candies like that where you can make some good money. Let's keep looking. Here's a great find, these A&W cream soda packs. You can see there's a whole bunch of them back there. They're $1 each. Over on Amazon, a pack of 12, you'd make $18.50. So you'd leave with just over $6 in profit. So spend 12 to make 6, that's 50% margins. That's not bad at all. Now there's a whole bunch of different kinds here. Maybe you can make variety packs of this one, this one, and this one, and this one, and sell them for $15, right? When you're only spending 4. There's lots of options. I'm gonna scan these actually and see what they're going for. Hopefully they're going for the same as this cream soda, because that's some good money sitting right here. Here we go, this Crush Berry Punch, $1. See right there, 101,000 in grocery. Double your money very easily. So here I am looking down another aisle. These are the arts and crafts and candles and a bunch of other stuff like pens and pencils. Now, I am doing a voiceover because the music started getting very loud down a few of these aisles, and I do not want a copyright strike. So we're looking at a whole bunch of things. A lot of this stuff's going to be generic branded. It's going to be their own brand or dollar store brands or things that just aren't even on Amazon. You can't do much with that, but I am still going to be scanning a lot of this. Now, obviously a lot of those candles aren't going to be worth it, but what do we have here? Pillsbury candle. That is a big popular brand. It could definitely be worth something. All right, now we're looking through the health and personal care. Oh, hey, look, I'm on camera up there. Woohoo. We are looking at the health and personal care. I have those Crush things in my basket, so seem like solid buys. But we're gonna see if we can find anything in the health and personal care section. Hopefully we do. I really hope we do. Not really sure what to start looking up. Maybe this butt paste will do. All right, right up here we have some stretch mark cream, $3.75. I scanned it in. Now I'm not sure if this is a great rank in beauty, 82,000, but you could see right there you'd make $7.78. So you'd spend $3.75 to get $7.78. Not a bad find up there for sure. That's all the way on the top shelf though, so there's still a lot more to scan coming down, but it's a possible contender. Now I noticed this at $10, SlimFast Keto ketone strips. I know keto's really big right now. $10, you could sell it. Not the best reviews, but going for 23, you'd make $6.85 after fees on that. Pretty good find, honestly. Not bad. There's 2 of them in there. I might grab those as well. Pretty sweet. I decided to get the keto strips. They seem worth it to me. But that's all I really found so far that I want to grab. The Crush singles to go and the SlimFast Keto strips. So not bad. I mean, definitely some good money there. I think that is gonna call it quits here at Dollar General. And I will see you guys in the car shortly. Not bad. We got our bag of goodies from the Dollar General, not the Dollar Tree, the Dollar General, and I think I did all right. Definitely got some good finds in there. I didn't expect to find things that would make me such high margins. I thought it was going to be spend $1, make $1, spend $3, make $2. But I was able to find a few things that I'm going to double my money on, and that's pretty awesome. Now I'm down to spend 10 to make 10. Even down to spend $10 to make $7 because it's more money there. Instead of spending $1 to make $1, spending $1 to make $1, you almost stuck in a standstill there, right? So you want to spend a little more to make a little more. It is what it is. I guess technically you could make more money if you bought 10 $1 things and sold each one for $1 profit. But then, you know, you risk things getting returned or damaged or shipping costs being a little bit higher. So I like to do $10 on one item, make $7.50, make $8, something like that. It's different for everybody. It's whatever you decide you want to do with your business and what you want to do with your reselling, especially hitting up these retail stores. There's so many other stores. In this same plaza, we have a TJ Maxx right over there. There is also a EB Lens over there. And yeah, so I mean, we do have multiple other stores here. There's a Staples over there and a liquor store. You can't really do much arbitrage at a liquor store. Maybe you could, I don't know. But so there's lots of options, guys. We just did one store, but if you like this kind of video, if you like the style, the retail arbitrage, let me know, because I can always go to more retail stores for you guys. If you liked me walking around, scanning things, finding things, getting deals, and not just going to thrift stores. I think I am going to a Goodwill right now though, but that is for another video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions, subscribe if you haven't already. This is Thrift School signing out. See ya.